Well, welcome back. Here we are. It's a beautiful Friday afternoon. We're going to address something on this old black Silverado that drives me crazy. Oh, let me hop in here and I'll show you. Any of you folks out there that might have a key that doesn't turn, you gotta wiggle and jiggle, and there we go. So that is because the tumblers are worn out in your ignition cylinder, and we're gonna go ahead and rectify that using part number 924796 from Dorman. This is a new lock cylinder, and it comes with these fancy instructions here. Don't mind my Coors Light. It's Friday after work. It's time for one. Comes with keys, a new cylinder, instructions how to reprogram the new keys, the whole 9 yards. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's get started. All right, step one. Pop this deal off here for your column adjustment. It just pulls straight out, or you got to pop it. I used a bone tool, just stuck it behind there and popped it out. Take that off, and there's a couple screws under here. This guy and this guy, those need to come out, which those are removed already. Actually, they were never installed, apparently. And then what you got to do is separate your two halves here. You can see in the back here, maybe it's already kind of separated. We'll go ahead and take our shift column boot off here. Shift lever boot. And then work this piece up. It says there's a upper screw in this top piece, but I can't find it anywhere. And I know these things have little tabs that lock them together so you can put your screws in. Probably can't see that one back there, but it's got one. You probably have to just wiggle her around a little bit. It's not easy to do one-handed, by the way. Let me fool around and I'll show you where the clips are. Alright, so I just squeezed both halves and got that to separate there. And then you'll have to do probably the same on this side. Give her a pull. And let's see. Probably have to move the column up a little bit to get that bottom half out. Okay. There's that. We'll set that with Madison. She can be in for the assist today. And then we'll move this column back down and get this top half out. Maybe. There we go. You hold that, Madison. Thank you. You good puppy. Good puppy's helper today. And get your fuzzy chin. Okay. Now that we got that out, let me have a look at the next step. Also make note, I forgot to mention to disconnect the negative battery cable. So what it wants you to do, turn your key to crank, and there's a hole here. I've just got a drill bit that I'm going to use, and there's a tab in there that you push down and it'll release. So you turn the key to crank. There we go. you turn it to crank, you'll feel the detent in there. And there you go. These tumblers are real old. Okay. Now that that's out of there, install new lock cylinder and column trim covers, connect negative cable, program new keys to vehicles following the instructions below. That sounds easy enough. So we'll grab our new lock cylinder here. And I'm sure there's a certain way that it goes in. There's a detent right there. There we go. Oh, so much better. How about that? New lock cylinder's in. Let me hook the battery up, and I think we're going to program this before we put our covers on. Okay, so it says remove and separate new transponder keys from keyring prior to programming. Check. Did that. Hold up original key next to lock cylinder on column. While holding original key next to column, insert non-transponder key provided and turn ignition to on position for 10 seconds. Okay. Original key. This might take two hands. Okay, hopefully you guys can see. While holding original key next to column, insert non-transponder key provided and turn ignition to on for 10 seconds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remove non-transponder key immediately. Insert first transponder key provided. Turn ignition on for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn position off. Insert second key. Turn on for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn off. The new transponder keys are now programmed and ready for use. Well, let's see about that. How about that? That one worked. Let's try the other one. Make sure they both work. Well, shit, that's not very hard to do. Shoot, that's not very hard to do. Well, there you go. If you've got an ignition cylinder with really worn out tumblers and your key doesn't want to turn in it, get you one of these kits. They're like 60 bucks. And that is not difficult to do at all. Believe you me, it's so easy, even a hole-up can do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. You got iGoopies. Can you tell everybody thanks for watching? Tell the fine folks at YouTube that you appreciate them and that you want them to like and share and subscribe and do all the fun stuff. Okay. All right. Well, we appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see ya in the next one.